Just look at this beautiful 1973 Datsun 240Z, just restored here by California Datsun. And today is delivery day, so I wanted to take a quick walk around video and show everybody what we did, point out some of the features, and really kind of just go through each part of the car so you can appreciate what an awesome machine this is. When this came to us, it was white in color. We've since painted it in a beautiful silver, which you can see. The customer opted for several upgrades, and we'll go through those as we walk around the car. Starting out in the front, we have Euro steel bumpers, a nice big skillered grille in there, some new LED headlights. All the emblems were replaced. You got a awesome hood vents here from a 280Z. Those are also a skillered insert in there. We replaced the wipers. One thing I like about this car particularly is it has a awesome blacked out trim package, which we don't do very often, but it looks great on this particular Z. Step back and look at that a little bit more. Everything that was stainless before got powder coated in black. So we got a beautiful set of wheels on this car. It's kind of hard to see with this lighting here, but nice orange accents that the client had detailed on there. These are a smaller wheel than we normally go with. These are a 16-inch, which we're running what was that, 235 60 15, excuse me, they're 15-inch. With the Willwood brake kit and the Yokohama tires. And then we have some more details to the rear of the car here with the 4-piston rear brake kit, also from Willwood. Again, another beautiful shot of the black powder coated wheels. We detail as much as we can all of the fuel door and accessories inside there. Let's take a look inside. Few unique features. First thing you might notice is 280Z door panels. This client specifically requested that. He likes the way that wood trim looks, and we took it a step further. These are all leather wrapped door panels and a custom actual wood insert. How cool is that, right? Our guys over at Rogelio Upholstery really get down and make that look sharp. Full leather seats. These are just heavily bolstered stock seats, but super nice with the Z logo there. Got the padded armrest with the cup holders. Even the center console is wrapped in leather with beautiful stitching. It looks amazing. Brand new dashboard. Come over to the gauges, which are stock. We upgraded the bulbs and obviously painted the needles. Great sounding Alpine stereo. Then that gets powered through those Rockford Fosgate speakers back there with the 6x9 box. Stock steering wheel that we just restored. Original looking shift knob. But the car is sharp. It's got Mercedes leather in here. We redo all of it from the headliner to the visors. Come around the other side, get another view. Let's open up the hatch here. Take a look back here. Again, beautiful leather work all throughout. Even the plastic panels that are normally ugly are covered in genuine leather. The dog legs there have that continuing accent piece that goes all through the car from the door panels. Brand new Euro style tail lights. We refinish all of the trim, and then I'll try to get up underneath as much as I can. It's got a really nice Japanese exhaust system on it. Adjustable lower control arms, CV axles. It's got the LSD differential. All of these complement, well, what I'm about to show you next, which is this beautiful power plant. And this client chose for the 3-liter stroker motor. Check out that bad boy. Fuel injected. These are individual throttle bodies. Kind of has the appearance of triple Webers, but it is fuel injected. Standalone fuel management system with an AEM computer. Our guys over at Eric's Racing do a nice job setting that up and tuning it. Of course, in California, you got to have air conditioning, which is nice and cold. We got all the goodies up in front here for that. Humongous, and I say humongous, cooling fans, because this is an Arizona car, and with air conditioning and Arizona heat, well, it has to stay cool. And we have a lot of other nice features on the other side here. One-wire GM alternator, individual coil packs, again, 3-liter stroker motor, and it runs very, very well. Gear reduction starter, a few little decorative pieces in there. You got all your individual relays, nice AGM battery. So there it is, our latest restoration here from California Datsun. Super proud of this one. Excited to see our client's reaction and what this one's going to look like when it gets to Arizona. But yeah, man, this thing is sharp and we love it. Okay, that's it for now. We'll have a few more coming soon. Thanks for watching.